We'll start from a place where many utilities already work with their data, ArcGIS for Desktop. Instead of printing these features to a paper map, we're going to publish them as a feature service to our utility's ArcGIS online organization. This layer's attribute table already contains the information we want to monitor about these assets. The field seen here will become the form mobile staff use to conduct inspections in the field. Because this layer is stored in a geodatabase, we can leverage several capabilities that will make the data easier to work with. Domains give workers convenient and accurate pick lists of attribute values, making it possible to fill out attribute information with less typing on compact devices. Data managers like domains because they instill a measure of quality assurance on the information being collected. The geodatabase is also effective when utilities have supplemental information that crews rely on when working remotely. Attachments are used to link documents, photos, and videos to map features. Relationship classes enable users to store asset information in tables related to an asset's main feature table. This data is now ready for publishing, but first we need to sign into our platform. Then we can share this layer as a service. Here's where we name the service and choose whether to store it in our ArcGIS online organization or on our own server infrastructure. Now it's just a few steps with the service editor to design the feature service. We want to make sure to enable editing so crews will be able to update information later in the field. Once the service publishes successfully, it's time to go to ArcGIS Online and make this information available to our colleagues in the field. The feature service we just published is now available in the My Content section of my organization and is ready to be added to a new web map. There are many settings that can be configured when authoring web maps, such as the pop-up window for a layer. By configuring the attributes in a pop-up, we can control the fields users can see and edit as they work with the data. From here, it's also easy to configure display of the attachments and related data we prepared for back in ArcGIS for Desktop. When everything looks as expected, the only things left to do are save the web map and share it with the members of our organization that need access to it. After just a few minutes of configuration with ArcGIS, we now have a web map ready for field crews to use on their mobile devices. Workers can access the web map we created using the ArcGIS apps for the field. ArcGIS apps are native applications that run seamlessly on iOS, Android, and Windows 10 devices. Collector for ArcGIS is the app that gives your field workforce the ability to collect and update data in the field. Maps can be taken offline to places where there's limited connectivity, and changes can later be synchronized when connected again. Every day, water, wastewater, and storm utilities use Collector for their field inspection workflows. Maps are organized into groups, such as this one for field operations. This group contains the map we created for hydrant maintenance inspection. Collector has a very simple and intuitive interface to help our workers find their way around. With built-in GeoSearch, we can locate the address near the next hydrant we need to inspect. Because the ArcGIS apps are seamless, asking for directions to this location automatically activates Navigator for ArcGIS, which can give us turn-by-turn directions. Once we reach our destination, we can easily switch back to Collector to perform our inspection.